Hello my artistic family, welcome back to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. And today guys, what I want to do is pour on this glass kind of fish bowl. And I want to do an elegant pour. So what I'm going to use is my 24 karat gold DecoArt Extreme Sheen, my go-to acrylic flow black. Let me just tell you guys what I have here for anyone who hasn't poured on a glass. I don't do anything to it to prep it, to put anything to it for adhesives on it, anything. All I do is just wash it with some warm soap and water and dry it off and good to go. I've done many pours on glass and I will link those playlists as well for you guys to take a look. And that's all you need to do. Your paint adheres very well. And then of course you can seal it with varnish, spray, or pour, or you can actually resin it, whatever you want. So I am probably more than likely going to resin over the top of this, but I might varnish. I've got quite a few things that I'm putting aside for when I get into resin. So let me just tell you guys what I have here. I have a simple go-to cup. I have my popsicle stick so that I can go ahead and clean up the bottoms like I would on a canvas. I have a mason jar, which is what I use to prop this up like so. It's perfect, it fits in there. It allows me to get around with my stick or my finger and clean up the edges. And then it doesn't sit flat on a surface, so it allows it to drip. So let's just go ahead guys and move this aside. I have my parchment paper here because the black and gold are gorgeous, elegant contrast, stunning, luxurious colors. And I'm going to get some beautiful skins. And on the parchment paper, all I have to do is peel that up and then I can use them for whatever I want. Let's go ahead and just load the cup up. I'm just going to do a simple ring pour over the top and we're going to see what happens. Because that has like a little divot in the top, I'm going to slightly, easily pour some of that off. Okay, go around and do the same thing. Okay, it can be tricky, and you want to do that right away, guys, because if not, it's going to be harder to get it out of the center. Cells! Nothing in my paints. Nothing at all. Oop! Look at that, guys. Should have known. Lucky save. Okay. I got enough off here. Just a tiny bit more. Just gonna slowly take that up. Wow, that's gorgeous. And look at those skins, guys. So easy. Such an easy way to dress up a simple glass vase for your home decor in your home.